Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to another day of science. Today is Experiment Friday. So before we get started with the experiment, we're going to watch our friend Ryan from Ryan's World talk about how there's some liquids that also can be solids that can just kind of be mixed all together. So what we're going to do is we're going to watch that video and see why is that so. Once we watch that video, I am going to have linked at the bottom of our team's page on our daily agenda for today a experiment so that you can make your own oobleck for today. So if you would like to make your own oobleck, I am going to link it down below so that you can participate. And then you can also share it on Flipgrid. Or you can upload a picture to me, Miss Nora, to show me that you made your own oobleck. But I hope this is fun for you guys. I enjoy the rest of your Friday. Bye.